Hello everyone and welcome to CharlieChinaTV. We are going to be drawing again, and today we're going to be using a very relaxed technique. I want you to draw but use your time to really relax and draw very gently just to get the feel of the type of face that you want to create. Be as light as you can, because what this does, it will actually enable you to give you the freedom to be more definite with your pencil strokes much later on in the drawing. So take your time to gather your thoughts, create the type of size of face you want, then make sure the dimensions are accurate to what you want it to be. Once you've done that, use the shading. Now the shading, you can take your time with it, really relax with this, and what you want to try and do is gather where the light sources are coming from, but then do it very gently, because what we're going to be doing later on is doing the smudging technique, which is my favorite thing to do. But with this, we can see that if the lighter you become in the initial stages, the more creative you can be later on, because the whole aspect of a drawing is to make it come alive. You want to create that 3D element, and so with time you want to enjoy the whole process of it. What I'm doing right now is I'm just sort of smudging the areas where I feel that the light will be casting a shadow, and then I'll be building on top of the drawing. So lay the foundation with the outline, make sure that's correct, and then gently build with the shading as you go along. Now when it comes to building a character or having some identity to a drawing that you are producing, the eyes are what's going to make that drawing become different to anything else that you're doing. So pay attention to the eyes, make sure that the eyes come alive. One thing I like to do is to create a sort of light reflection onto the eye, and what that will do will make the eye sort of make it come 3D, to make it stand out, make it shiny in a way. That's your way of actually making it as realistic as you can be. Obviously we know it's a drawing, but those aspects are important. The hair, make sure you build the technique of the hair, because what that is doing is you're building strand by strand, and before you know it, you're going to have the finished article.